Getting started with cryptocurrency doesn't have to be complicated. All you need is a wallet which holds your assets but also allows you to buy, sell, and trade your crypto. That is where Bitget comes in. You can find it on the Play Store or App Store. Download the Bitget application. Once installed, it's as simple as a username and password. And as you can see, you can even get up to 6,200 USDT in rewards by signing up and completing simple tasks. Enter your email and password, or just link your existing Gmail account, the simplest way to create your account. A verification email is going to be sent to you. Copy and paste the code here. Then you can enable biometrics to make it easy for you to sign in later. This is what the Bitget application looks like. Your next step is to secure your account with securing options like passkey, Google Authenticator, email, and phone number. These are very essential for your account security. Stay tuned and get to know how you can get started trading easily. Trade smarter with Bitget.